I took an old-style blog post like this one and slowly transformed it into this. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. Here's the thing. We can generate text, images, and video almost for free now, but we're still publishing all of it into the same old container, a blog post, a wall of text with a picture bolted on top. Capsule's whole pitch is that the form of an idea is part of the idea, so they built a new container for it. They call it a capsule. So what is it? Capsules takes your writing and turns it into a scrolling, cinematic experience. No code, no design skills. Let me actually walk you through how this works, step by step, using an article I already wrote.
Step 1. Start with your writing. I paste in the link to my article. That's it, no blank page. Step 2. Let it read the structure. Capsules scans the piece and maps out scenes based on how I actually wrote it, not a template. Step 3. Watch the scenes get built. For every section, it's generating imagery and motion that matches what the words are actually saying. Step 4. Set the mood with a style preset. One click changes the whole tone. Moodier, brighter, faster pacing. I'm picking this one. Step 5. Refine what doesn't fit. If a scene doesn't land, I swap the image or nudge the pacing right here. Step 6. Scroll it like a reader would. And this is the moment that sold me. Watch what happens right here as I scroll past this line. Step 7. Publish and share. One click and it's live. My own link or embedded straight into my site. 7 steps, maybe 10 minutes, start to finish. That's the whole process. So what does it cost? Creator Plan is $25 a month for up to 4 capsules. Pro is $100 a month for unlimited capsules and custom branding. Though a heads up, their own FAQ page lists Pro at $99. So double check that at checkout. Now, the honest part, because that's what this channel's about. There's no free trial, so you're committing $25 a month right from the start. It's also not for everything this shines on one piece of writing you really care about, not your everyday quick update. But that's kind of the point. If you've got one story, one essay, one idea you've been sitting on, this might be exactly the container it's been waiting for. And if you want more honest AI tool breakdowns like this one, join our community. It's where I post the demos that don't make the final cut, answer your questions, and take requests for the next tool to test. Links in the description. Come say hi. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.